Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you are safe wherever you are. So as you can see, the intro has been tweaked a little bit and I will talk about that in a bit because something terrible happened to me today. So what we are going to do today is, guys, we will be taking a look at ABX Blast Mail Day. And we know that Tier 3 Doctor Strange has replaced Cable, but you need a lot of investment on your Doctor Strange to hit that 7 million mark. And Cable, on the other hand, is a very cheap investment. He doesn't require a CDP of Rage. You don't require him at tier 3 since he can't go to tier 3. You just need him at level 70 and you are good to go. So the team that we will be using is Cyclops, Lead, Cable and Phil Coulson. That is the best team for this day. So let's take a look at my Cable, what he is built out. So as you can see, attack speed, ignore defense are maxed out. Cooldown is somehow maxed out. You can call it maxed out, only 1%. I am missing 1%. And quick damage is 188 and quick rate is 52. And we do have a CTP of energy and all of his gears are at 25. As you can see, I have given him some Odin's blessing, 2 or 3 Odin's blessing, and that is because I can barely cap out that 7 million mark. So that is why I gave him some of the Odin's blessing. And you can see all skills are at level 6 except the first skill. Fully awakened power of Angry Hulk ISO set, CDP of energy, and a mythic uniform with I guess only 2 optional uniforms. Yeah, that is energy attack, the Nemo one, and apocalypse dodge. So yeah, those are the 2 roles. So yeah guys, this is the team that we will be taking a look at. And if you don't know, Cyclops has a very good leadership, that is 35% increase of all attack, and his 4-star passive also gives 30% increase of energy attack to all allies. So that is why he is the best leader for this day. And yeah, I also have a CDP of Insight on my Cyclops. I recently gave it to my Cyclops. Phil Coulson is here for providing the tier 2 passive, that is increases damage dealt to supervillain type characters by 45%. The guaranteed quick rate will not help Cable since Cable do have guaranteed quick rate, so it doesn't matter. So let's dive right into the ABX, guys. First of all, we will discuss about the rotation, and Cable is one of the smoothest character to play in ABX. So there are 2 rotation that we will follow. The first rotation will be 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 2 cancel, 5 proc, get the proc on 5, and when there is 1 second left, hit the second skill. And then after second rotation, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 proc, and you will repeat this rotation throughout your fight. So the rotation is very simple, guys. 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 proc. When there is 1 second, hit the second skill, then again 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 proc. Now this is the best rotation that I personally found, just because there is also another rotation, but I don't recommend it to anybody, just because if you are a good ABX player, then you will definitely follow that rotation. And the rotation is 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 2 cancel, 5. And if you can do it throughout the 5, that is really good. But what I found, the 2 skill often takes off the proc and your skill will definitely go down. There I use the second skill to silence the beast, since Cable has silence effect on his second skill, so that is very helpful, and we silence the beast out there. Now let me discuss what tragedy happened to me today. So I was recording video on my friend's account, that is ONX Adinant, and he's a great ABX player. So I tried his Cable out and I recorded the video, and then suddenly my phone got a notification that my storage is being filled up. So I went and started to delete up some things, and unfortunately I don't know where my mind was. Unfortunately, I deleted all my videos, including my intro, my outro, and the video of the ABX. So yeah, really sad. So I did made another intro. Unfortunately, I am an idiot and I haven't had any backup of my intro and outro of the channel, but now I do have. So yeah, I made a new intro, not new intro, the format of the intro was within me, so I just tweaked a little bit. And here guys, as you can see, 5.4 million, so not bad, not bad. We are doing really great. And we also messed up one time, so we missed one of our procs, so that is not very good. Okay, so here beast will jump to the center, and now we will cancel the we will silence the beast by using 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 2 cancel, 5, as you saw there. And silencing is not a big deal guys, I don't want to talk about that a lot, because silencing is now a baby show, as I said. So all that matters in ABX is in now is the build, how high your character has built, so that affects in your ultimate score. So as you saw there, we hit that 7 million mark, 7.12, so not a bad score at all, 7.12, since the cap is 7.7 million. So yeah, so hope you all enjoyed the video guys. I guess this rotation will help most of the players. Try it out and give the feedback in the comment guys, how was the rotation and what was your score on today's day. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe. Till then, see you in the next one.